Okay, we're back at the template guide again. I just thought that I'd show you something very, very important here as far as the metric templates are concerned as opposed to the imperial ones. Now you can see here on page 6 of the master reference guide, they've got a very detailed instruction here on how to set up the A, whether the pins are going to be A or B cuts. This is very, very important when you look at the template. So let me just show you how this is done. Here we've got our center piece of wood. And this piece of wood is exactly the same size as the wood we're going to use for our project. Now, it says in the guide that the grooves here, this is the important thing that you want to take a look at. Here you can see we've set up our piece of wood at the center, which is 8A. And if you bring the piece of wood backwards from this, I'll just move this here, you can see that the wood overlaps the groove here on a B cut. Okay, so it is the B cuts. These B cuts are going to be used for the tails. Now, in the reference guide, it says here the example that they use is that the A cut will be used for the tails. It depends on the size of the wood that you're using. This here is 100 wide. If we were using, let's say, 115, 120 wide, of course, we'd come into this region here, and it would be the other way around. So for this piece of wood and this piece of wood only, we're going to use B cuts on the template for the tail cuts. And it's the tail cuts that we're going to make first. Okay, so now that we've organized that, we can insert the template into the LS positioner and start making some mess. Haha.